Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt.
This one was supposed to be, is supposed to be a heart.
A heart.
We'll see how
beautiful heart.
We'll see how it turned out.
I'm sure it turned out good regardless. Can't wait to see what we have. There's a lot of interesting colors there, especially the bottom with that fuchsia red, glacier blue combo. That's one of my faves. It just makes such cool purples and violets and other colors. It's a good spectrum. Even got some better black and all on there. We really have quite a palette on this one.
I know it.
Look at that.
All right.
To the inside?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
A little thunder.
I know. Yeah, I felt a little sprinkle. We got this done just in time.
I'm telling you.
Just in time. Okay. Got a brand new hot water heater and actually even turned it down from where I put it originally. Installed by Dadu.
Yeah.
2 a.m.
Oh my god, it took way longer than just 2 a.m.
No, I'm saying I did it at 2 in the morning.
Well, I'm saying it started at like 8 and then ended at 2 in the morning. It took forever.
Yeah, because originally we weren't going to replace it. Our old one had a bad pressure release valve, so we were just going to replace it. But then we found out that it actually had a crack at the top of it, right at where the pressure release valve screws in. So then we had to go buy a new one. And keep in mind, we live an hour away from the nearest Home Depot or Lowe's. So every time I'm making this trip, it's like an hour and a half, 2 hours round trip.
It was a mess. The whole thing was a mess. So we got it done.
I got it the last time at like 9:50 and they closed at 10. I barely got it on there and got out the door before they closed.
And then we had to shove it into the little hole by ourselves. It was a mess, y'all.
Yeah. The one we replaced it with, of course, is twice the size of the one we took out. Because if you gotta buy one, might as well buy a big one.
And I think we just pushed it out the window, didn't we?
Yeah, we did actually. Rolled it right out the window.
We were done with it.
Still got it. It's in the scrap metal pile now because we're gonna recycle it. Alrighty. Good and rinse that in here. It does have a sprayer here, folks, as you can see over there, but here we actually have water pressure and a nice high top sink, so you can wash them out without having to use a sprayer here. It's much nicer here.
Oh yeah.
The rinsing setup.
I was just thinking, I don't think you could pay me to go back to the apartment.
I bet not.
If somebody paid that rent for us, I still don't think I could go back.
I bet not. It was good though. We needed it when we had it. Don't get me wrong. We were very grateful.
Yeah, I'm not going to complain about a roof over my head.
No. And the people that owned it and rented it to us were wonderful people.
They were.
Great place. We just expanded our family and had to move on up. Let's see what we got.
Please be a heart.
Could it be a heart?
Not
it's,
really.
You know, a delta.
Kinda. It kinda looks like a heart, like that yellow one. Look at the yellow one in the very middle.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's kinda a heart.
Let's see from the bottom, maybe. Yeah. Kind of looks like a heart, kind of looks like a Van Halen logo. I mean, you know.
It's still cool, nonetheless. I still like it.
It's very cool, and it's like a Rorschach test, you know.
Yeah. What do you see in there?
You see what you get, yeah.
It is great, though. All right.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Not too bad. You know, not a perfect heart-shaped pattern, but not too bad. Not considering it's the first one back in a while. Got good striation. Little light on the pastel colors, which we assumed might happen. But mostly it's just not a perfect heart, but not a bad pattern. Still a decent shirt. No mistakes, only happy accidents, right? Well, there it is. Alrighty, folks. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all soon.